Out here in the garage. Today I'm working on the 1989 Ford F-250 with 5.8 engine. Got the intake manifold off of it. The previous owner had broken off the thermostat housing bolts, so I'm going to make an attempt to weld a nut onto them and to back them out. I'll get some gas going here. Power on. We'll move it down here to the intake. We'll barely grind the tip of this broken bolt. You can see right here, this bolt is broken off really short, and this one short. Figured I'd do that just to try to give it a better chance to bite in. I'm putting a couple of washers up here, kind of to protect the aluminum. And then screw that nut on. I'm thinking get that clamped on the nut. Got the auto darkening helmet. Well, let's see what it'll do. So it needs to be a little hotter. Well, let's try again. Don't want to mess up the aluminum. Got a hammer. Well, didn't get there. We'll put it back on. Get a little hotter. Try again. Don't do anything without a ground. I ain't never tried this with this welder before, so we'll see what happens. Let that cool down a second, see if it bit. I don't like the way that worked. Let's try another one and we'll see if we can get it on farther. But this sucker's hot. Drop one washer off. We're trying. Trying not to mess up this intake. So we're going to give it another shot with another nut, see what happens. Ready? Here we go. Alright, got it. Alright, try again. Maybe y'all watching, y'all feel free to try too. Oh, dang, that's hard. I know I'm welded to the nut. We'll let that cool off just a second and see if we did any good. I don't think we did. I'm still not in the hole. Okay, let's try again. Well, about got it dripping off there now. Let's see what happens. Nope, again, it's just the nut. Alright, well, we're going to keep trying this. See if we can get it. As you see, I got that pretty hot, but I'm going to have to do something different. Maybe I need a nut that will sit down flush. I just don't want to burn that aluminum. Alright, come on back, and I'll have an update on this intake manifold. Thank you for watching. out here in the garage. Go like and subscribe, and come back and watch the next videos.